Exile had ended, not by rebellion, but by the hand of God. Adonai stirred a king and opened the way home. A foreign king spoke the words of prophecy. What God promised, he fulfilled. Not all returned, but those who did came willingly. The remnant answered the call. Before walls were built, worship was restored. The altar stood again. Some shouted for joy, others wept for what was lost. Yet the foundation was laid. Opposition rose, fear halted the work, and the city stood silent. God spoke again. Through his prophets, the work resumed. The house was finished, not by might, but by obedience. Ezra set his heart to study the law, to live it, and to teach it. The people humbled themselves. Sin was confronted, and the covenant renewed. God brought them back. God restored his house, and God restored his people. Like, comment, and share if you believe. Subscribe for more content.